Architects and civil engineers often need to maintain consistent geographic location information between models that are managed using multiple BIM products. To simplify this workflow, you can use GIS coordinates from a linked DWG file for an agreed-upon reference point. In this example, we'll use GIS coordinates to define the survey point in the Revit model. Obtain the coordinates from the civil engineer. If you have access to AutoCAD Civil 3D, you can open the DWG file to get the grid northing and grid easting coordinates for the selected point. In the Revit model, open the site plan view. Select the survey point, unclip it, and place it at the agreed-upon location in the model. On the Manage tab, click Coordinates, specify coordinates at point. Place the cursor at the center of the survey point and click it. In the dialog, enter the GIS coordinates and click OK. Select the survey point again and confirm that the correct coordinates display. Clip the survey point in place and pin it to make sure it does not move inadvertently. With the survey point defined, you can now link the DWG file using shared coordinates. On the Insert tab, click Link CAD. In the dialog, for files of type, select DWG files. Navigate to the file and select it. For positioning, select Auto by Shared Coordinates. Specify other options as appropriate and click Open. A dialog indicates that the model and the link use different coordinate systems. Although the survey point uses the correct coordinates, Revit can't determine which grid coordinate system to use. Click Align. The DWG file is linked to the model, and its geolocation reference point aligns to the survey point. To confirm the geographic location of the model, on the Manage tab, click Location. In the dialog, for Define Location By, the option Get Geolocation from Survey Point is selected. The GIS coordinate system, latitude and longitude fields display geolocation information acquired from the DWG file. This location information will be used for shadow studies and energy analysis. If you later reload the DWG file to see updates to the site design, the file maintains its position in relation to the Revit model. Use this feature to coordinate and streamline efforts between the civil engineer and the architect.